Hello friends, welcome to the most important questions of RBWM from exam point of view now. Now we are in the exam fever. Are you seeing my daily shorts of exam fever? Kindly see, watch this. Available on the same channel. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Don't miss this. Okay? So you are seeing the questions, right? Daily I am posting one question, very important question. So see that. Also, watch this complete series. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. So watch it ASAP. Okay? Click on that bell icon, like button, everything. Do everything. Okay? Today I'll be dealing with two most important case studies. Very important. One is on depreciation, second is on sinking fund. Okay, I'll be dealing on both. So watch them completely. They are asked for 5 marks. Kindly note, May 25 paper had 25 to 30 marks of numericals. So many numericals were there. So that's why kindly note and kindly join the paid classes ASAP. I'll tell you at the end how to join because we are having the crash course. Various courses are there. I'll tell you. So watch this series completely. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A company purchases machinery for 2 lakh. The estimated useful life is 10 years. Its salvage value is 20,000. The expected annual interest rate on sinking fund investment is 6%. Calculate the annual sinking fund payment. See, sinking fund questions do come in the exam. Every exam they do come. There is no exam where sinking fund is not asked. It is asked in accounts also. It is asked in your RBWM also. Okay. So how to solve this sinking fund? Sinking fund means what basically? Sinking fund means basically your future payment. Same future payment formula. Only there you know F, you don't know the present value. Confused? Let me explain you. See this. In annuity, okay, whenever you solve any annuity, what is the formula for annuity future value? What is the formula for annuity future value? F equals to. So F equals to C into, right, 1 plus R raised to N minus 1 the whole upon R. This is the formula for future value, annuity. Everyone knows this. I have taken it yesterday also. Means many times I have taken. Everyone knows this formula. Future value, present value and EMI. These three formulas should be by heart for you. Future value of ordinary annuity, future value of annuity due. Okay. So all these formulas should be by heart to you. Okay. So now this future value, this is same as your sinking fund. Only the difference is in future in the sinking fund method, you know this, you don't know this. This is what you have to find out. And in future value problems, you know this, you don't know this. Future value you don't know. Here you know future value, but you don't know the sinking every year sinking fund. That's what you'll have to calculate. So what is it given? Look at it. The company purchases machinery for 2 lakh. The estimated useful life is 10 years. So let's start writing all these things. Okay. So first, what is the F? Means end value. Now end value over here F equals to, kindly note, 2 lakh minus 20,000. See, salvage value is to be subtracted. 2 lakh minus 20,000 minus 20k. So it is 1.8 lakhs. 1.8 lakhs. So that is your F. Future value is that. 1.8 lakhs. Everyone understood this? This is very important. Okay, this is very important. Why? Because you need to understand that the value over here is to be taken after subtraction of salvage value. You need not take 2 lakhs directly. Next, R. R is what rate of interest? What is given? It's directly given 6%. So R equals to 6%. So make it into 100 immediately. Convert it to 100 terms. So 6% means 6 divided by 100. So 0.06. 6 divided by 100. You want it annual. As you want it annual, you will not make any change. You will keep it as it is. You will not divide it by 2, not divide it by 3, not divide it by 4, not divide it by anything. If they are asking you quarterly, then you divide it by 4. Okay? Here you will not divide it by anything. So R is same, N will also be same. So what is N then? N is 10 years. See this, N equals to 10 years. Anything else? C, R, N, that's it, and F. C is what you'll have to find out, annual sinking fund payment. This is C. This is what you have to find out. So let's solve it. So 1,80,000 equals to, now you solve this, 1,80,000. Are you able to see this? Yeah, equals to C into, now I'll directly write this, the answer. Okay, means I'll directly write the point over here. 1 plus R. So 1 plus, what is R? 6%. 0.06 raised to N, 10 minus 1, the whole upon R, 0.06. Do this. 1,80,000 equals to C into 1 plus 0.06 raised to 10 minus 1, the whole upon 0.06. Do it on your calci. Everyone, try this. I'll wait for the answer from your side. I'll wait for the answer from your side. Everyone give me the answer. 1.06. Directly add this 1.06. Okay? 1.06. Raised to 10. Check this everyone. 1.06 raised to 10. How to do it? Yesterday I told you how to do it. 1.06 raised to 10. Type 1.06 over here. Then press into, then press equal to 10 times. How many you want? 10. So 10 times. How to do this? Everyone check this again. 1.06, then press into, then go on pressing equal to 10 times. Okay, 10 times. It's not 9 times, it's 10 times. So do it. What is the answer? 1.06 into equal to 10 times. So you must get this as, what are you getting everyone? Write this answer separately because we will be requiring this answer many times. Keep a habit of writing this raised to answer. Keep a habit of writing this raised to answer. So what is the answer? 1.79 I am getting it. 1.79. 1.79. This is what I am getting. 1.79. Everyone check this. Now use this. So C into 1.79 minus 1 divided by 0.06. So that is equal to C into, now do this fast, okay, 0.79 upon 0.06. Okay, do I have a next page? Let me see. Blank slide, yeah, it's there. So, do it over here. So, what is the answer? C into, I'll write it here only, C into, now what is the answer for this? 0.79 upon 0.06. Do it. 1.79 minus 1. 1.79 only, no? 0.79, yeah. Divided by 0.06. Everyone should get this. What is the answer you are getting? 13.18. 13.18. So now what is the equation you are getting? The equation is, everyone, what is the equation you are getting? 1,80,000 equals to, see this, 180 equals to C into, what was it? 13 point something, right? So let's get the exact figure. 13.18. 13.18. Okay? So 180 equals to C into 13.18. Do it, everyone. So now C equals to what? C equals to 1,80,000 divided by 13.18. Get the answer now. Everyone, get the answer. Everyone get the answer. 1,80,000 divided by 13.18. I'm getting it as 13,657. Are you getting the same? 13,657. This case study comes in exam. 13,657. So this is your sinking fund amount which you have to keep. This is your sinking fund amount. So sinking fund amount which you have to keep, so that at the end of the period you should be able to replace the machinery. Sinking fund amount. This sinking fund and depreciation, definitely these questions are there in exam. RBWM, they are specifically there. Don't miss this. Okay? Everyone got this? Type yes in the comment section if you have got it. Everyone type yes, those who have understood it. Let's move on to the next one. A company sets up a sinking fund to replace equipment that cost rupees 5 lakh with a 5-year useful life and a salvage value of 50,000. The half-yearly sinking fund payment calculated on the basis of 7% per annum interest. Very typical problem, same as the earlier one, but slight change is there. The slight change over here is half-yearly and a whole problem changes. Whole problem changes. Okay, half-yearly. Whenever you are doing anything half-yearly, use the same, formula is same. Only what you do, R equals to whatever is given as R divided by 2. So 7 upon 2, half yearly. So 3.5%. N equals to multiplied by 2. Whatever number you divide by R, same number you will multiply to N. So what is the N given? 5 years useful life, 5. So N equals to 5 into 2. So that is equal to 10. Okay. Whatever number you divide to R, same number you will multiply to N. Never forget this basic. Whatever number you divide to R, same number you will multiply to N. Okay. Clear, everyone? Got the concept clear? So now formula is same. Formula is not changing at all. Okay. So F equals to C into 1 plus R raised to N minus 1 upon R. Now put the formula, everyone. Put the figures and get the answer. I'll divide this into 2 parts. Do I have a next page now? Yeah. So every time you have to check. So now F is what? What is F? F means this amount minus salvage. Just now we did it in the earlier part. This amount minus salvage. So F equals to what? I'll write it over here. F equals to, where should I write? Here. F equals to 5 lakh minus 50,000. So rupees 4,50,000. Getting this, everyone? 4,50,000. 50,000 over here, 5 lakh over here. Subtract it. You'll get it as 4,50,000. Okay. R I have already written 3.5. N I have already written. C is what you'll have to find out. So let's solve this again. You must have a complete practice on sinking fund. Similarly, depreciation is also solved. But depreciation has a separate formula. Sinking fund has a separate formula. Okay, but both are combined chapters. So now, what is this? 4,50,000 equals to, shall I write it over here only? No. 450 equals to C into, solve it, 1 plus R. What is R now? 3.5%. So I'll directly write it now. 0.035 divided by 100. First only. Raised to N. N is what? 10. Minus 1. The whole upon R. What is R? 0.035. Okay. Getting this, everyone? Solve this now. Now this is same as the earlier one. You should be able to solve it. So what is it? 1.035. 1.035 into equal to 10 times. Do it, everyone. Into equal to 10 times. So what are you getting? 1.035. No, I made an error over here. 1.035 into equal to 10 times. So you're getting it as, what are you getting? Type in the comment section, everyone. You must get this as 1.41. So this answer is, I'll write it here, 1.41. This is your answer. Now solve this. 1.41 minus 1. So that becomes 0.41 minus 1. So 0.41. Correct? This is 0.41. This 0.41 you divide it by 0.035 now. Divided by 0.035. Okay? You divide it by 0.035. So what are you getting? Divided by 0.035. So you're getting it 11.373. Let me check your answers also. So that is equal to C into, I am getting this 11.731. Let's take 3 digits. You can take two digits also, nothing matters. Okay? So C into 11.731. Are you getting this, everyone? Check it. Everyone must get the same answer. There's no ifs and buts, no exceptions to this. You must get the same answer. Okay? So, let's write it again. So, it is 4,50,000 equals to 4,50,000 equals to C into, what is this? 11.73. 11.73. So now find out C. C equals to 4,50,000 divided by 11.73. Getting this, everyone? Check this. Everyone check this. So what are you getting? So it should be 4,50,000. 450. What are you getting over here? I am getting the answer as 38,358. So 38,358. You must also get the same answer. 38,358. Okay, 38,358. This is the amount of sinking fund. I'll have to keep it separate. Sinking fund. Okay. I'll have to keep this separate. So that at the end of the period, after what, 5 years, every 6 months I am keeping this. See, 6 months. Every 6 months I am keeping this separate. So at the end of the period for 5 years, you should be able to have that amount 4,50,000. This amount 450. 4,50,000. This is required at the end. So if you keep 38,358 per 6 months separately at the percentage rate of 7% compounding semi-annually, okay, half yearly, see this. Then you will have this required money of what is the sinking fund? 5 lakhs, okay? 5 lakhs minus 50, so 45, 450. Then only, so this is an important numerical, both depreciation also and sinking fund also, both are equally important. So practice them again. Change the figures. You can try it yourself. Change some figures. Try it yourself. Make it half yearly to yearly. Okay, make it quarterly. Try it. Because after all, practice is needed in exam. You can't just mug up the things in JIB and CIB. You can't mug up. The papers have changed. Okay, so that's why you watch the series completely. Now join the paid classes. Now what are the paid classes? Let me show you. See, for joining the paid classes, kindly note, download the Adda 24/7 app. It's available on both Google also, Apple also. Okay, both of them, Android, Apple, both available. Because by downloading it, you will be getting 1% extra. So that's why even that is important, 1% extra discount. Okay. JIB Increment Mahapack, one of the best Mahapacks for you. Why? In this you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. 15 plus. Plus physical question bank you are getting. Physical delivered at your home. Plus physical formula bank you are getting. Delivered at your home. Everything delivered at your home. Okay? Question bank, formula bank, 15 plus batches. Double validity offer is going on right now. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. You buy for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. So double validity offer. Okay? Also the discount part. Look at the discount. See this. The discount part over here is, but for that you will have to remember the code Y432. Okay? Don't forget the code. 79% discount plus 1% extra. 80% discount you are getting. 80% is a huge thing. Plus double validity. Plus this question banks, physical question banks. Okay? Plus formula bank. Plus 15 plus batches. Plus ebooks. Plus mock tests. It's a huge thing. Join ASAP. This is the best package for you. Okay? Ciao. Bye everyone.